Hi, Marielle. I've got a very interesting question for you. We've been looking at maintenance systems, and probably a very pertinent question is, what would you suggest? Is it complex versus simple maintenance systems? Which do you think is going to be more cost effective in general?
I hear you. However, I wouldn't complex versus simple. It's really depending on your application. So I would say, really, is it efficient for your application? Does it do the job, or is it inefficient for your application? So, for example, there are filtration out there that are very simple. They are designed with easy maintenance. You can just change, open, change, click, click. And if they do the job, then that's fine. That's where you can have a filtration system that offer you a simple way and a cost-effective one.
It's an interesting one, isn't it? I think I've come up against it quite a few times where people try and get a complex system. And my overview on that was always, well, if you get a complex maintenance system, you're actually entering a complex maintenance system into an issue that you've got. So you've got two issues you've got to deal with, and you've got to maintain the complex maintenance.
Exactly.
I agree totally with that. I think simple is my way forward.
Yeah, I think it's actually you create a double whammy for yourself. You have a problem and your solution is quite complex. So your timing for the maintenance for solving your issue will increase. And we know, again, time is money. I think we all suffer from years and years of marketing by saying, oh, the bigger, the best, the most complex is the most reliable. But it's not often the case. And if you can prove with data that a simple system does the job, then it's a win.
Yeah, I agree. And I've been accustomed to that. And you tend to find if you've something too simple, they're very suspect of it. But I
Yeah.
think that's very much coming in line with people who are accepting it with good reputation. You tend to find, look, this system is simple, but it actually works and it is
Well,
effective. So I totally agree. Yeah. And I'm very for that. And I think people have made it too complex in the past.
mm,
One of those issues, but I'm sure it'll come round.
yeah.